Hello Tech World and welcome to another video. Today I will be looking at Samsung's newest budget tablet, the Samsung A9 Plus. In this video we'll be looking at what comes inside the box and checking out how this tablet performs when multitasking, gaming, and more. If you're new to the channel, we cover everything related to tech and gaming. If you're interested in tablets, then make sure you also subscribe to the channel as we will be covering more tablets throughout the year. Without further ado, let's get back to the video. Now, when it comes to the unboxing, here is what you should expect to get out of the box. In the box, you'll find the A9 Plus, the charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. Also included in the box is the quick start guide, as well as a micro SD SIM card removal tool. If you were expecting a charger brick, then you're out of luck as there is none included inside the box. When it comes to the specs of this tablet, the version that I ordered from Amazon is the version that comes with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. If this isn't to your liking, there is also an upgraded version of this tablet that comes with 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage, and it also includes the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. Now, the A9 Plus is the successor to the Tab A8, which was released in early 2022. Now, when it comes to the A9 Plus, it comes with an 11-inch TFT LCD display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate with a display brightness of up to 480 nits. In my opinion, 64 GB of storage and 128 GB of storage is not enough, but what's great about this tablet is the fact that you can expand the storage via micro SD, which can go up to 1 TB. This is something that I truly love when it comes to Samsung tablets. As for the colors, the A9 Plus comes in 3 different colors: graphite, silver, and navy. As you can tell, I decided to go with the silver color, but trust me when I say that was only due to the fact that I couldn't find the navy color in time for this review. I'd be lying if I didn't say that the navy color, in my opinion, looks the best. Moving on, let's talk about the design and build of this tablet. When it comes to the back of the tablet, it's made of aluminum mostly, with a small portion of the tablet made up of plastic. In my honest opinion, the tablet feels good in the hands and doesn't feel cheap. The build feels sturdy and durable, which is always a good thing. The A9 Plus tablet comes with quad speakers, but what's also a great addition is the fact that the tablet also includes a headphone jack. This, in my opinion, is not something I expected to see, as headphone jacks are really something of the past. It's not something you see often these days. As for the rest of the design, you get the power and volume buttons on the side of the tablet, as well as the 3 pins that you usually see. Trust me when I say that Samsung did a good job with the build, and nothing about it actually feels budget when it comes to its build. When it comes to actually setting up your tablet, it's quite easy and simple, but here are a few suggestions consider doing when booting up your tablet for the first time. First thing would be to make sure to go into the settings to make sure your software is up to date. The second thing I would do is to remove any app to which you feel like you'll never use, especially if you have the 64 GB of storage. Now, the third thing I would definitely do when setting up your tablet would be to turn on Dolby Atmos, as this is a great feature but is unfortunately not turned on automatically when setting this tablet up. Now, there are definitely more things I would definitely do when booting up your tablet for the first time. If you'd like to see a video on that, then make sure you let me know down in the comments below. When it comes to the display, again, the A9 Plus comes with an 11-inch TFT LCD display, which makes sense as this is a budget tablet, so you shouldn't expect a mini LED or an OLED screen. For the price, the screen looks good and gets the job done when watching your favorite shows or when gaming. Again, this tablet screen looks good for the value. Here is a quick comparison of the A9 Plus compared to my Xiaomi Pad 6, which comes with an IPS LCD screen. In my honest opinion, it does not look as good as my Xiaomi Pad 6 screen, but it's also $130 cheaper than that tablet. The Samsung A9 Plus is a great budget tablet, as it's being sold for $220 for the 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage version. And if you want that 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, then that version will cost you $270. Though it's a great tablet, again, you have to realize for a cheaper device, you are losing out on some important features, such as this tablet is not IP68 resistant. It also comes with USB 2.0, which means there is no external output, so you can't connect this to a monitor. This tablet also comes with a Snapdragon 695, which is decent but not terrific. If you're someone who's looking to do some heavy multitasking and is looking to do some type of editing, well then this shouldn't be the tablet you should go for, as it really isn't suited for that purpose. Trust me when I say you shouldn't try doing too much with this tablet, as it'll begin to slow down. But do remember, the version that I am using also only comes with 4 GB of RAM. The Samsung A9 Plus also does not come with an S Pen support, so if you're someone who's looking to draw on a tablet, then I wouldn't take a look at this at all. I would take a look at the S6 Lite instead. When it comes to the cameras, you get a resolution 5 megapixel front-facing camera, as well as a resolution 8 megapixel on the main rear camera. You also have the ability to video record 1080p content to up to 30 frames per second. Again, the camera is not something that I ever use when using my tablet, but for those that care about it, I thought I'd let you guys know. Now let's get to my favorite part about having a tablet, which is gaming. For those wondering about the gaming experience when using this tablet, let me tell you right now, it's definitely capable of playing the most popular games such as Genshin Impact, COD Mobile, Asphalt 9, or even PUBG. Just know you will need to lower your settings so that the games run smooth and well with no issues or lag. As someone who mainly games on a flagship Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus that comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it definitely felt different. If you're a competitive tablet gamer who enjoys playing FPS games, then definitely skip this tablet as it's not made for you. But if you're a casual gamer who doesn't care about the greatest graphics or the most frames, then this will do just fine. When it comes to multitasking, please make sure you go with the 8 GB variant, as the 4 GB is not enough. A great feature that I didn't expect to see on this budget tablet was Samsung DeX. In my opinion, this is a terrific thing to see on such an inexpensive tablet. For those unfamiliar with Samsung DeX, it's a mode within the tablet that allows users the opportunity to have a window-like experience. What's great about this mode is that everything opens up on its own window and allows the user to resize each app to the way they want it. For those looking to get things done on a tablet, trust me when I say Samsung DeX is the best way to go, and it'll make sure that you get everything done in a timely manner. Earlier in the video, I did mention the tablet does come with a quad speaker setup, which is definitely a plus, but now let's take the opportunity to hear how it actually sounds. How does it sound to you? Let me know down in the comments below. In terms of battery life, the A9 Plus comes with a 7040 milliamp battery with up to 15 watts of charging, which is less than the flagship devices which charge up to 45 watts. With mixed usage, I've been getting around 6.5 hours of use. Again, battery usage is different for everyone. It really depends on the brightness level that you have your tablet on, as well as how you use your tablet. Whether or not you're gaming or watching content, certain things can drain your battery more than others. To wrap this video up, the Samsung A9 Plus is a great budget tablet for the price. For those interested in this device, you should know what to expect when making your purchase. It's a tablet that's capable of gaming, light multitasking, and more. It's a great budget device to give to a child or someone who just wants to watch shows on a decent screen. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure you smash a like, as it helps the channel a ton. As always, Tech World, it's been a blast, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.